My name is Bill Stallings. I'm General Manager of Custom Sheet Metal Services here in Durham, North Carolina. We purchased the Cornermatic and Whisper lock at the beginning of 2008. Prior to obtaining both of those pieces of machinery, if we had a large rectangular duct order, we would gang bang. We would fill up every square foot that we had available with duct work that needed TDC corners. Then we'd take all the employees, gang bang it. We'd have a whole crew of them that would come through and just snap TDC corners in. Then we'd have 2 or 3 guys coming behind us, actually clamping them in place on each one of the duct. As we got through the duct, we'd work our way back across the plant floor, flipping the duct over, snapping in by hand the TDC corners, and then taking the pliers and clamping them, and then we'd load the tractor trailer. In 2007, we did approximately a little over $800,000 worth of duct. We purchased the TDC Cornermatic and the Whisper lock toward the beginning of 2008. From 2007 to 2008, we went from a little over $800,000 in duct to $2.2 million in duct. We had 7 permanent employees prior to the purchase. I only added 3 temporary employees to cover the increase, so we more than doubled in less than 12 months. And the rest is history. To date, we've put approximately 222,000 TDC corners through that machine, and she's still running like a charm. So we're very satisfied with both machines.
I'm Charlie Kiger, Sheet Metal Operations Manager for Riddleberger Brothers. We're a mechanical contractor in Shenandoah Valley, Virginia. We do $50–60 million worth of work a year. With the Cornermatic and the Whisper lock, we've been able to increase our production and to meet our manufacturing deadlines. It's probably allowed us to do, 5 pieces to 1 at least, in our production. Well, the old process, we would actually have to put the pitch spur together and take the air hammer and hammer the edge over, which was quite time consuming, and it was rather noisy too. And we're looking to improve our safety with the company also, and protecting our employees from noise is a big feature with us. Well, the guys like using the equipment because it saves them work. It's a whole lot easier to push a piece of metal into a machine than it is to physically beat those edges over either with a hammer or an air hammer. And the corners too, you just push it in and snap and you're done, versus either crimping them with a hand crimp or putting them in with a hammer. We don't have to flip the duct to take the corners on, so that's making it easier on the guys, especially on the larger duct. It's it gets kind of heavy, so by not having the guys have to lift it and flip it, it eliminates potential for them to have back injuries or strains or whatever. Well, it's increased our productivity and it's made us more efficient, so that time is money, and that's really been a benefit to us. We've had the equipment now probably for 10–12 years, very low maintenance, and we've been very pleased with the equipment. It's really allowed us to expand our production greatly.